You guys, why do the kids not understand daylight savings? Who else has been up at 5:45 instead of 6:45? Why?
Hey guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. Tanner's gonna help me here. Tanner, say hi. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I clean my kitchen, specifically how I clean my kitchen in the morning to set up my day for a smooth day for the rest of the day, because I cannot function with mess. So I'm going to share with you guys what I do every single morning, and today is a special video because I'm collaborating with Vanessa from Lemonade Mom, and I recently started watching her content through Nicole Burgess. So I've heard of Vanessa so much, but I literally just started watching her content probably about a month ago, and I'm obsessed. So if you guys want to know all things cooking and kitchen related, you need to check out Vanessa. I'm going to have her channel and video in the description box, so definitely go and subscribe to her channel if you haven't already, and watch her video after you watch mine. And if you are coming to Vanessa's channel from my channel, make sure you comment a pineapple emoji so she knows that I sent you. So if you are new to my channel from Vanessa's channel, hi, my name is Gina Schweppe. I have quite the circus here. I have 3 little ones. I have 2 dogs. I do a lot of couponing content, deal videos, saving money. I literally could save you money on probably literally everything. But I also enjoy cleaning. I also enjoy testing out different beauty products, especially products we get from couponing. I also enjoy piecing together different outfits and all sorts of stuff. So my channel is a ton of content. The one thing that I lack is cooking videos. So I am so happy to be friends with Vanessa and Nicole and Kiera, because they are great in the kitchen. So I'm learning so much. I really loved watching Vanessa's recent video on how to use leftover Halloween candy. So I'm going to put my request here. Vanessa, I want you to share some recipes on how we could use leftover turkey. So that is my request straight to you. So I am so excited to be collaborating with Vanessa on this video. So now let's just go ahead and get into that morning clean routine.
All right, so last night we left the kitchen a mess. Food everywhere, stuff everywhere. I just can't even function with this mess right now. So we need to do something about it and clean it up. But before we get going to that, I'm going to need some coffee because this is a huge, huge mess. Normally I don't leave a mess, but it is. So if you guys aren't on keto, you definitely should try it, because keto gets you to have heavy whipping cream, and this is the best in your coffee. And I've been obsessed with this raspberry sugar-free syrup. Yeah. Coffee is what's going to get me through this clean routine. And let's just make Sawyer's cereal a little bit special and put his Peppa Pig toys in it. He just loved this. All right, so the first step is just to wipe all the counters down. So I do this probably about 3 times a day, like literally. I am that obsessed with cleaning my countertops, but I am using the Caldrea countertop spray, and this is in the Tangelo scent. I think that's what it's called, but it smells fantastic and it just fills up the room. And I honestly can tell you, the scent of this countertop spray just reminds me of a Hawaiian resort. So I want some calmness in the morning time, especially when it's so freaking early. So I'm just wiping all the crumbs, all the nasties. And I went ahead and put all of the random stuff away. So all the random toys, all the random things that are not supposed to be in the kitchen, because the best way that I can have a productive day is to make sure my area is clean. The more clutter that you have collecting in your kitchen, the more unkept your kitchen is going to be. So actually I was watching Clean My Space over the weekend, and she mentioned that about not having as much clutter on your countertops, because the more things you have on your countertops is what's going to make your kitchen look messy. And it just made perfect sense. So I took this time to literally move all the stuff that was not supposed to be in the kitchen, and I just walked it to its place. So let's see how long this is going to last. And I always use microfiber towels. Guys, if you're not using microfiber towels, you need to hop on Amazon and buy you some, because this is going to save you so much on paper towels. And you can actually get some from Grove Collaborative as well. And I rarely clean off this bar top, which I really should do a better job at. I had a little coffee mug that I kept the kids' toothbrushes in, and I also had a coffee mug that I kept my sink scrubbers in, and there was like a collection of water, and it just smelled so bad, you guys. So if you're like me and you have little coffee mugs thinking, oh, this is going to be a cute way to store the toothbrushes, no, don't do it, because it just collected really nasty volumes of water, which then turned into a really nasty smell. So if you're doing that, I would highly suggest you don't. So let's see how long we can keep this countertop clean. I'm going to guess it's going to be clean for about a day because I am so prone to just throwing things on my counters and it just being my catch-all. But let's try. For a week, let's try to keep the counters clean. And then I'm going to go ahead and do a Christmas blend with my essential oils from Simply Earth. I'm doing a Christmas spray, so it smells like pine. Don't worry, you guys. I'm not decorating for Christmas just yet, just getting a little Christmas scent going on. So now I'm going to go ahead and disinfect my trash can. I try to do this about once a week because the trash can gets really gross. So I'm just using the Mrs Meyers Clean the Day spray, spraying it all over the trash can, and just going in with a paper towel. I'm not using a microfiber here because I do not want to clean my trash can with a microfiber towel because I just want to disinfect it and just go ahead and throw it away. Another hack you guys can do is you guys can put a few drops of essential oils and you could rub your trash can down with it as well to keep a fresh scent in your trash can if you would like. So that is what I am doing. All right, so now it's time to sweep the floors up again. I have dogs, I have kids, there's crumbs everywhere, you guys. And when I get my camera down to this angle, I'm really able to see like how much collects on the floor. Like literally, this was a collection from probably maybe less than 6 hours. I'm just amazed with how much builds up on the floors. So this is why I am sweeping 3 times a day, it seems like. And you know what? You guys need to give this video a thumbs up because today I actually matched my socks, which is something that normally doesn't happen. I usually do not match my socks. Usually no. And I just use a broom and dustpan, but I'm hoping for Christmas to get a fancy new vacuum. We'll see. And then I want to go ahead and wipe down my appliances. I just make a lot of bacon, so there's a lot of bacon splatter everywhere. So I want to make sure I get all the grease off of everywhere. And you know, what can I say? I'm just a clean freak now. I'm a clean freak. And I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the microwave to get all of the, yes, bacon grease that splatters on the microwave. And then now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Method Squirt and Mop. This is in the almond scent. It smells so good, you guys. If you have hardwood floors, I highly recommend this cleaner. It does a great job at cleaning and polishing. This is the same scent with the Wood for Good, and it smells so, so good. And it does a really good job at cleaning. And I'm using a Oceller mop. So one end is a microfiber to pick up like dust and hair and whatnot, and the other side is a mopper, and then you can Velcro this off and then just throw it into the washer. So I have done away with Swifters. I just don't use the Swifter anymore because I can't justify the reusable wipe things anymore when I can just pop this guy into my washing machine. It saves so much money on the year. I got this in December and it is still holding up. So, and then you can also get replacement pads whenever you need to. So I got mine at Home Depot. I'm sure you can get it at Target or you can get it on Amazon, but I highly suggest. And then I always go in with my vacuum on my rug because I do have a rug in the kitchen. So I want to make sure I get all the dog hair. I haven't had my dogs at my house for about 2 weeks. So they came back, so now I'm back into the routine of vacuuming every day. And then I'm going in with the Caldrea mist. This is for fabric mist. So I really love the Caldrea line. It's just a little bit more expensive. And then my dining room is attached to my kitchen, so I'm going to go ahead and just clean the windows. I use the Method glass cleaner. It smells of spearmint, and it does a great job at not leaving any streaks. So I'm pretty sure a bird could fly through my window. Do you guys remember that Windex commercial when they would have the bird fly smack dab into the window? Yes, that's my goal, to get my windows clear enough for a bird to fly right into. And then I'm going in with the Mrs Meyers Peppermint, and I'm spraying it along my window frames to keep the spiders out. Yes, spiders hate peppermint, and I am not a fan of spiders, so whatever I can do on a natural basis to keep them out of my house, I'm going to do it. And then it's not a morning in this house without someone spilling their juice, because this is exactly what happened. I don't know. How did they spill the juice in the sippy cup? I don't understand. It's like the kids think in their head, hey, let's unscrew the lid and let's just spill it all over the table. Yeah, let's do that on a Monday. So I'm just going in with the Wood for Good by Method and wiping everything down. Get all the stickies out. And then I have to wipe these chairs down literally, yeah, about 3 times a day. After they eat, I gotta wipe all the chairs down because they just get sticky mess everywhere. Kids are just like, they were born to be sticky, I guess. And then I always load the dishwasher so I can wash whatever dishes were left in the sink from the night before, and I just want to start the dishes so it's just not a dish parade going on all day. So I use the 7th generation dish pods, and they work great. And I'm going to go ahead and sweep up the mess from the dining room as well. And I'm just really just setting up my day to have a nice clean space in the kitchen, because I function a lot better when I have a clean space. So this is going to set me up to have a better rest of the day. Let me know if you guys are the same, if you function a lot better when your space is clean. And you're about to see some little Sawyer feet. Right about now. Toddler feet are the cutest, aren't they? Yes, they are. All right, so I'm just going to sweep everything up, and we are just about done here. And I do this every morning. This may seem a little extreme, but this is honestly what I do to be able to set myself up to have a productive day. I can't have a productive day if my space is clean, and if my space is not clean, I just don't have a productive day. So I do this every day. And this is the after. So on the left side, you're seeing what my house looked like before, and then on the right, you're seeing the progress that I made this morning. And honestly, you guys, this took me maybe about 30 minutes to do everything, so it didn't take a long time. Once you get into the habit, it's a lot easier to keep up. So get to cleaning, guys.
So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you are at all interested in any of the Grove collaborative items that I featured in this video, you can get a free Mrs. Meyers set when you place your first order. So I'll have a link below. You guys have been using that link, so thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And if you are an existing customer and you place your order, you're going to be able to get the walnut scrubbers for free, which is also another one of my favorite items. So Tanner and I appreciate... Wow, that was a long one. So Tanner, in Baby Talk, Tanner says, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Ding that notification bell, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.